Steady trading day as the stealth bull market continues. Very slow-paced market. We were at equity peaks today, so that is a good trading day. Not a big breakout. We made equity peaks by about $100, and so up 32.60 on the 250K portfolio, up 720 on the 50K portfolio. Like I said, brand new equity peaks, very close to the hypotheticals, and live on the week, since it's Monday, are the same results up on the month and year. Those are the numbers, and brand new equity peak. We're around a $3,100 away from an equity peak in the live trading, and we hit that. And so good results. Let's look at the trades on the day as well as the market. We had Nasdaq actually led the way. It was very efficient in the Nasdaq, and so just a low volatility rally. You get this stealth pullback that we continue to see. It looks like it's going to go lower, and then they just rally in the afternoon. And so very indicative of a stealth bull market, low volatility, and our strategies did well. Cover CT3, one of our long-term strategies. It's been adjusted for the stop losses and profit target hit 925. It was stopped out on Friday. It lost on Friday, and it had some previous winners. Today it was up. Mirror stopped out here at the open, takes a trade at the open, choppy at the open, trendy at the close. Tick Fader had a nice trade here 2 days in a row where that profit target could have been about 3 or 4 times bigger. And tick count trend hit his profit target, stopped out, got back in, and hit its profit target there. Up 375 on the day in what looks sloppy, but this type of strategy trades a sloppy market environment like this. Open chop did well, plus 237.50, about as well as it could have done for the opening trade because it was very narrow range. And tick chop, this is opening chop. This is tick chop, very narrow range at the opening, up 25 on the day. Tick count trend dynamic turnaround, minus 825 is the only ES strategy to go short today. So it got tricked into a short trade and stopped out, minus 825. And that's why we have a diversity of trading systems. And so the ES was around break even today. Let me take a look. ES was up actually 587.50, 5 for 7. The Nasdaq strategies, they were 3 for 3. We had 3 strategies trade, and all 3 were profitable, very efficient. Viper capturing this move right here, and then another move, and then 1 trade, 2 trade. The micro version did a little better than its hypotheticals than on a ratio basis compared to the E-mini because it had an additional Viper trade. So there were 3 Viper trades on the micro and only 2 on the E-mini. So the micros did a little better today because of the additional Viper trade. And then we had a tick reversal, got in at the end of the day, small trade there. And then EVP1 was one of my favorite strategies coming into the beginning of the year, struggled the first 2 months, and now it's doing really well. And we've this low volatility rally. Let's look at the Nasdaq and the VIX. The VIX dropped down into the 16 handle, continues to drop. The Nasdaq is not breaking out. Now, the market seems like it's waiting on earnings season, and the FANG stocks start reporting tomorrow after the bell. And so we're just in this narrow channel. It turns out that the market, I guess, has just been waiting all month on earnings. And so you never know exactly what the market's waiting on. But if you just look at this, here is where March ended, and you're just in a sideways pattern with this VIX. If the earnings aren't a big surprise, I could see, technically speaking, the only thing that makes sense to me right now is technicals. Would be just this continued rally, just this continued rally up, sideways, and then rally again. So that is what makes sense to me, technically speaking. Anything could change fundamentally. Anything could come up. There could be some big surprises, some big changes in the market, and then the technicals could change quickly. But it just appears to me like a liquidity-driven rally. We have all the extra liquidity in the markets, and so we continue to anticipate higher prices, but we're ready to go long or short either way with our automated trading systems, a diverse group of strategies. We have 23. So once again, these are the trades on the day for Monday, April the 17th with new equity peaks. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.